Good evening, I am Bhumika Sharma and I study in 10th standard. My school name is New Sunrise Convent Higher Secondary School, Binagan, and today I am going to tell you about the first woman astronaut from India. So let's start. Whenever you see a aeroplane and rocket moving in the sky, you must be getting a thought that sometimes you have also wanted to fly in the beautiful sky. Same as you, there was a little girl whose name was Kalpana Chawla, and she became the first woman astronaut from India. And let us know about her, that how she achieved her dream, and how she became the first Indian astronaut from India. And during summers, there was a 8-year-old girl whose name was Kalpana Chawla, and whose father name was Banarsi Lal Chawla. He was a petty trader, and her mother name was Sanyogita Chawla.
What was the father name?
Banarsi Lal.
Banarsi Lal. Okay.
Banarsi Lal Chawla, and her mother name was Sanyogita Chawla. She was a homemaker. Sanyogita. हाँ. And she was a homemaker, and she was belonging from middle class family, normal middle class family, and she used to live in Karnal, Haryana. Karnal, Haryana. India, Karnal, Haryana, India, and Karnal, Haryana, India. And when she was only 8 years old, she was only 14 years old. When she flew in aeroplane, first she flew in aeroplane. When she got complete her education from Bal Niketan Senior Higher Secondary School, Bal Niketan Higher Secondary School, and then after that.
Please stop. Actually, I want to ask from Chetan, what did you hear about Kalpana Chawla? Please sit down.
By standing or sitting?
Yes, stand up and ask me. Please sit down.
It is the story of Kalpana Chawla, who became the first woman astronaut of India. His father name was Banarsi Lal Chawla, and he completed his education.
He completed or she completed?
She completed his education from Bal Niketan Higher Secondary School, and she wants to. That's all.
Very good. That means you were listening. Okay, continue. Please listen. I can ask to anyone.
Then she got her aeronautical engineering degree. Then she wanted to go America for her further studies, but her parents were not happy with why this decision. Then with lots of craze, she went to America, and then she got a MS degree from Texas University, and she also learned to flying aeroplane, and she got married from her aeroplane instructor, whose name was Jean Pyrie Harrison. And then
He was not Indian.
yes,
Kalpana Chawla was married.
yes,
She
in
got
America.
married in,
America.
in Texas.
In America.
In America, so there was a city, Texas. So
City nahi, university.
university.
Yes. Then she got married with her aeroplane instructor, whose name was Jean Pyrie Harrison, and then she became the American person. After that, she got the PhD degree. Then she filled a form. Then she filled a form of in American Space Agency. There among 3,000 pupils, 79 were finally selected. One of them, Kalpana Chawla, was one of them. then she was very happy that she got selected and she got a chance to fly space shuttle spaceship, and then she was trained about how to eat, sleep in space, and then after that she take off her first spaceship on the day 19 November 1977. That was very memorable day for her and for all NASA. Then in that group 6 members, the 6 member was there, and when she left from space was the date 5 December 1977, and she returned to Earth. She land on Earth safely, and her all group mates also land safely. All was welcoming her and appreciating her. Then her journey didn't end here, and when she got to know, she got a opportunity of second space tour. She was overwhelmed about this. Overwhelmed. She was happy.
She was so happy.
Yes. She was so happy about that she got a chance to second space tour. Then when in the year 2003 she take off the flight for take off a spaceship for space, and then when he was returning back from the space, she was about to reach. She was not aware of that what can happen with her, and she don't know anything. She was thinking that just I am about to reach and I will reach, but at that time a phenomenon happened which was very surprising for NASA as well as for whole India, and that time we lost our brighting star, and now we also her journey also inspiring for us, and she was brighting star, and now also she is brighting star, and always she will be brighting star for us.
It was her second spaceship when she died.
Yes.
I thought that it was in first in our first attempt. Okay. So I got information. Very good. It is really helpful. Thank you so much. Very good. Next, does anyone have any question? Sorry.
Yes. She have 3 sisters.
Yeah.
3 more. She had 3 more sisters.
Okay.
Elder. She was youngest among all them.
Anyone else? No. Yeah.
What does our husband name?
Please give them a mic.
Jean Pyrie Harrison.
Anyone else who wants to ask questions? Nobody?